Here are some PC tech tips that you may find helpful. Undo mistakes. If you make a mistake while working on your computer, you can usually undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z, Command+Z on Mac, or by going to the Edit menu and selecting Undo. Screenshotting. To take a screenshot on your PC, press the print screen key, sometimes labeled as PRTSCN, to capture the entire screen, or use the Alt plus print screen combination to capture just the active window. The screenshot will be saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it into an image editing program or document. Enable night mode. Many operating systems and applications offer a night mode or dark mode option, which reduces the amount of blue light emitted by your screen. This can make it easier on your eyes when using your computer at night. Look for display settings or preferences to enable this feature. Reduce programs at startup. Too many programs set to launch at startup can slow down your computer's boot time. You can manage startup programs by going to the Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, and navigating to the Startup tab. From there, you can disable unnecessary programs from starting up on your computer. Bring back closed tabs. If you accidentally close a tab in your web browser, you can quickly reopen it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T, Command+Shift+T on Mac. This keyboard shortcut works in most popular web browsers. These are just a few general PC tech tips to help improve your computer experience.